Is talking on the phone getting out of hand? Look out! You need phone relief. The ultimate in hands-free phone design. Hands-free, pain-free. You'll wonder how you ever live without it. It's perfect for remotes. Now talk hands-free anywhere, anytime. Call toll-free to order by credit card and make this your last phone of the neck call.
I still got a lot of shit to learn, I'll admit it.
Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Osmo Mobile 3 combo. This is where it's at. You can see the material. It's pretty nice. Got a nice sleeve pocket. We got our Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal. The wrist strap, just so you can swing that bad boy around. What else we got in this combo? This looks like a carrying bag in case you don't want to take the case around. Good old tripod. This is what we wanted. This is worth that combo price. What the hell is that? Ooh, what is this? Focus. Excuse the crust on the finger. It uses a USB-A to USB-C cable. So this is everything you will get inside the Osmo Mobile 3 combo. We also have what's included in the box. Now, I didn't even know about this. They also include a 2-year warranty, accidental hardware damage coverage, includes water damage. Now that is a plus. That is awesome. I am just getting into DJI products and I did not know about that. That is actually something great to consider. Okay, so we did want to get a good estimate about the weight because this is a handheld gimbal and the battery life on it is 15 hours. So I wanted to get the weight for you guys. All right, so we got about 14.4 ounces, so it's less than a pound. And for my UK people, my people overseas, I believe you guys use grams. If you don't, I mean, it's 407 grams. I hope that helps. Okay, so as with every review that we do here on the channel, we are going to check how long it takes to charge the battery for the Osmo Mobile 3 straight out of the box. Now, this is not from 0%. However, this is straight from out of the box. And as you can see how shaky my camera is because we are not using the gimbal yet. So this is exactly why we've made the purchase. We are starting this 10:28 in the morning. As we can see here, it is now charged. Okay, so it finally finished charging. It actually is surprising because this is straight out of the box. So it took about 3 hours to charge. All right, so we are going to turn it on for the first time. As you can see here, it tells us exactly what we have to do. Activate the Osmo Mobile 3 when using it for the first time by following the steps in the DJI Mimo app. According to the screen. So DJI Mimo. So we have the Osmo Mobile 3. Okay, device connection, searching. Press and hold the record button, trigger, and M button simultaneously. I can't get to the trigger. It's like locked in. Ah, okay. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, so there we go. So now we see it. We have two options. OM3. Guess we get this one. Would like to pair with your iPhone. Always agree. So phone camera direction, it says it here, so I'm guessing it goes in this way. All right, so let's set that up. So now what do? All right, let's enable that. Next, please activate after login. Okay, so we will log in. Install phone. Install the phone before activating, as the gimbal might jitter because of the unevenly distributed loads. Activate. There's the device. Ooh, cool. All right, so as you can see, it already gimbaled it out. It says 2-year warranty, water damage coverage, free shipping, accidental hardware damage coverage. Notice for beginners. Yeah, let's go. Let's notice for beginners. Hold tilt motor and move phone left or right until phone remains balanced when released. Wait, what? Hold tilt motor and move phone holder left or right until phone remains balanced when released. I don't know what they want me to do. Use joystick to pan or tilt phone. Oh, that's sick. Look at that. You can move the phone nice and slow. Get the cinematic views. That is sick. Okay, I did not know it does that. Let me show you guys. So this is the max that it can go down, and then this is, let's see, the max that it can go up. If you're in photo mode, press once to take the picture, and then if you're in video mode, this is how you stop and start recording. Okay, so M, press once, switch between photo, video mode when powered on. Check battery level when powered off. Also, okay. Press twice, switch between landscape and portrait mode. Yeah. Press 3 times, enter sleep mode, press and hold, power on and off. Good to know. Push the zoom slider in and out. It's this right here. So you press it up to zoom in and down to zoom out. Press and hold, enter lock mode, and release to exit lock mode. Okay. So I have it locked. I'm holding, right? See, this is without holding. So it moves around a little bit. But then if I press and hold it, now it's locked in. So now I can move my hand as much as I want, and it stays locked. Press once, start or stop active track when enabled in Mimo. Press twice, recenter the gimbal. Press 3 times, switch between front and back cameras. Press once and then press and hold. Enter sport mode. That's good. Charge Osmo Mobile 3 through the charging port. Okay, done. Oh, we got some firmware. All right, so we're gonna want to install that. What happened? It doesn't want me to see it installing the firmware. This is going to make our videos that much better. See, that's another good thing, because you have an app for the Osmo Mobile 3. There's always updates coming out. Oh, now we're back. Firmware update completed. Done. Would like to access camera? Okay. I mean, it has to, right? Oh, there we go. Wow, look at all that. That is cool. So now if I press and hold, it locks in. Get those nice cinematic. Now I want to see the shaking. So if I was to do this Not shake too much. Does it still come out professionally? Slide to select shooting mode. Okay. So we will be trying out different modes. Okay guys, so I just want to run you through the app because it is pretty dope what you can do in this thing. As you can see here, there's a glamour effect. You can actually turn it on and it'll make you look polished up. As you can see, the difference. Now let me turn this off. So now you can see the scars and all that crap. But with it on, now we're like baby smooth. Baby smooth. So you got that. You got your resolution and your frames per second. You can change it from 1280 720 to 1920 by 1080. It's all up to you guys. You got 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second, and 60 frames per second. Significant to mention for the resolution was the settings for the front facing camera. The rear facing camera, as you can see here, we can have 4K with even 60 frames per second. We have 4K, 30 frames per second, 24 frames per second. What is this one? You got your manual and auto, so you can set your ISO, your shutter speed, and your EV with the manual, or you can just leave it on auto. But the thing is with auto, obviously, it's gonna keep fluctuating. Like it's brighter, it'll get darker. Let's see it changing. Keeps changing, but it does a pretty good job with the auto feature. We got our white balance. You can either have it on auto, sunny, cloudy, incandescent, fluorescent, or you can customize that. Right now I'm just gonna leave it on auto because I am not a photographer, so I should not be messing around. So you can have grid lines, you can have a grid and diagonal. Let's turn that off. We don't really need that. You have your one press active track, so you can press trigger to enable or disable active track. Now we have that disabled, but if I grab my face, you can see it does a pretty good job when it's slow. I will put up a clip of me actually using active track on my daughter, and you will see it's not the greatest. It is good, but when it's something fast moving, it's not the best. Also, if the subject that you're recording goes very far and it gets too small, it loses the subject. Okay, we got the active track on.
Just try not to roar in front of me.
I zoomed in. That's the limit. So when you're close, it gets the face. When you're far, it have to do the body. All right, you gotta get away. Go do something cool. I need some content out here in these streets. All right, she's too far now. I mean, you wouldn't really be recording something that's that far. I don't think you would, but it's still pretty good. Also, we have the hand gestures. Gesture control uses gestures to enable active track. So if we turn that on, we don't have to put the square around our face. We can be a little further back. You make a hand gesture, and there you go. It is now tracking us. See what I mean? But it did catch me again. It did catch me. So that's not too bad. We wanted to elaborate on the story modes. Now, this does have a lot of modes. I've kind of messed with a few of them. I'll actually show a few that I've recorded while I was outside. So this is where you would go to have different cuts and different scenes that you can make your videos a little bit more entertaining. This was a good one to use. Got plenty of different ones. I'll cycle through them, and this is exactly what it would look like, and it actually puts the music there too. Obviously, you can edit the music out later if you don't want the music there. And again, I'm gonna mention this is a software, so they are continuously updating this and putting more and more story modes out there. It's pretty dope. Then you got your 180 degrees recording. mean, you could do a panoramic. And this one rotates with beats, as it says. And this one is the same. Little jazz effect instead. Steady motion shooting. Got the brisk. This one actually puts the words. You got several. A lot of different ones here. And the big thing is to custom your story. They do have a lot of options. I was messing around with it. You can control your custom gimbal action. Now we can actually do a spin move and preview it. Whoa, okay. Let's do that. Can I put it up though? Or does it? Oh, okay. So now it records me. Another custom. Let's do it the other way. See how it comes out. Make sure it's looking up. Okay, this is fun. That it turns this way. Actually, that's the wrong way. I did not want it to turn that way, but that's okay, I guess. It sounds like a ballerina song. That's why I'm doing the ballerina dance. And to finish it off, I don't even... Oh, we did that. Oh, it actually shows you which ones you did. So, boom, boom. These notifications. Okay, so now let's preview the whole thing. Adventure. Day 1. Day 2. Day 3. Day 4. Day 5. Chilling. It's pretty cool. Alright, so that's the story mode. Got a lot of options there. And let's see if we really make me rosy. Lighten, oh, it's lightening the image, not just me. Okay. Ooh, look at my eyes. They got big. Let's see, this is something you can do too. Brighten. Oh, there we go. Now that brightens my skin. Wow, that is weird. That is weird. Smooth. Old man, baby. Old man, baby. Whoa, you can make your face slimmer too. That's just me. I'm actually doing that. All right, let me stop playing around. So this is what it would make you. So when they say that camera adds 10 pounds, nope. Now we take 10 pounds off. So that's your DJI Mimo app. It's pretty damn awesome. Wow, I left my eyeballs big.